In this video, we will look at two class organization tools found on the Coursework page. So go into the course that you wish to organize or set up and go to Coursework and look at Configuration. Under Configuration, you have a choice. You can group by assignment type or you can group by unit type. If you choose to group by assignment type, your assignments are grouped by assignment type, and you look at the Coursework page and you've built some assignments, they will be grouped by type of assignment. If you choose to group by unit, most Schreiner courses have just one unit, and all of the assessments are under that one unit. But you could make a unit for each week of the course or make a unit for each chapter of the book and have all the assignments in each unit listed under that unit. So if you choose to group by unit, your coursework will be listed under the unit if you just have one unit as I do. Everything will be listed under that unit and it will probably be listed in due date order. So under configuration, you choose between grouping by unit or grouping by assessment type. Once you've made that choice, go back to Coursework page and look at units and types, managing the units and types. If you wish to add a unit, you can do that here. You can reorder the units and you can edit the date ranges. Under types, it's important that you select your types of assessments. If you're going to have two exams, a midterm and a final, then you want to use the exam. If you're going to have students make presentations, these are the kinds of assignments I've selected. I'm going to have them turn in papers. I'm going to have them take quizzes in Schreiner 1, do presentations, and homework and exams. It's important to select these. You can add a type. You can reorder the types. You can, if you decide you don't want to do that, you can trash that type. Or if you decide you want to do something instead of that, you can rename it. Where this shows up and why it's important is when you're building an assignment. So back on the Coursework page, if you wish to add an assignment, you choose what format you want that assignment to be in. The forum format relates directly to the discussion forum. If you're going to have your students discuss topics and you will grade them on their discussion, then you'll set up a discussion forum. If you want them to upload anything to you, anything that they write on their computer and then upload to you through Schreiner 1, you'll use the file upload format. The test format is used if you want to build your test in Schreiner 1 and have Schreiner 1 grade it for you. Everything else would go under the basic format. So right now we'll choose the basic format, and where your types show up that you've selected are under this place. So when you'll name it, you'll fill out all the information about your assignment, and you pick the type and put it in there. So we'll pick presentation because that's the basic format. And then when you're through, be sure and save your assignment. So under managing units and types, if you have more than one unit, you add them here, you order them here, and then be sure and select your types of assignments. This types of assignments becomes very important when you set up your grade book. In your syllabus, you'll list all of the things that they will be given a grade on, and then you'll be asked to weight each type of assignment, like your midterm and your final are worth 50% of your grade. Quizzes are worth 20%. All your papers are worth 20%, and then the presentations are worth 10%. The percentages that you select for each one of the types of assessments that you choose have to add up to 100%. When you're building your assignment, it's a little bit confusing. When you add an assignment and you're in the editing portion of adding assignment, it will ask you graded. Yes, it's graded, or you have choices, of course. Out of this number of points that it's graded at has nothing to do with the percentages that you assign to each type of assignment. So if you're going to grade an assignment, it'll be out of 100 points. There are teachers that have different grading systems, and it is included in the final grade. And then always save your assignment. So on the coursework page, we've looked at configuration, where you choose whether you want to organize by unit or organize by assignment type. And then we looked at managing units and types. If you have more than one unit, you'll deal with this part. Then under types, be sure and select all of your assignment types here.